In today's video tutorial, we're gonna walk you through Wix mobile website tutorial. Please ensure that you have all the necessary components ready. Proceed by clicking the Save button, followed by the Publish button. Click Done and edit the mobile site. Then, select the mobile icon located in the upper left corner and click on Let's Go. You can now customize how the website appears when visitors scroll. After making your selection, click Next, and the next step, you can choose the position of your quick actions. Once you made your choice, click Next. Additionally, there is an option feature that you can utilize. Once you have made your decision, click Next. Go to Mobile Editor to make any desired changes to the positioning, spacing, or other aspects. Once you are satisfied with the modifications, click Publish to complete the process. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.